Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial video on Python. Um, so we are going to practice some foundational concept. Interactive Python notebook. Okay. First of all, we'll see how to print something. Printing something on the screen. This is good. Let's see how we can perform basic operation like 4 plus 2, and we can also do like 5 by 2, 3 into 7, and 2 raised to power 2, 3 minus 7, and we can take mod operation also. So these are not printing. We need to have this print statement for all of them. Okay, so like this we can apply arithmetic operations, and after this we can see how do we can store values here. So we can create variable. So I can assign this 10, I can print it, and I can also define a function like to add two numbers, and I can print that. So basically it's actually returning here, so we can make it print. Okay, now it's fine, and we can directly call this like this. That will work. And other way around this is like we say subtract. We can store the result of subtract and then print it. So like this also we can do it. Let's see loop. This is how we implement a basic loop. And let's see while loop here. And let's me assign the num equals to 5. Let me put something here. Okay, so this one is for while. Okay, now we can have like break and continue condition. So this will continue in range of 10. If it is 5, it will break at 5 and it will continue looping. And now we can see the continue example. Okay, so it just check if it is an even number, it will print that even number and continue, and otherwise it will print the odd statement here. So let's see. Okay, so it's printing all these things here, the odd number, even number, odd number, even number, like that. Till we have this range, we can expand this range to like 100. It will do for 100. Okay, and after this so we have seen variables, um, loops. Now we can see some control statements. So we have if. Similarly, we can have else. And to see the else, we can have this condition, so it just jump to the file else part. And we might have like conditions and if, then we could have else. Okay, let's see the output. The 5 is greater than 2. Let's go to this case. So 5 is not uh, so here we have to change is to enter here. So 5 is equals to 2, it's entering here. So instead of 5 we will say 2 is equal to 2. And if we say 5 again here, 5 is greater than 2, it's going in the if. And if we say this, so I'll say 1 here. So why this is entering 2 equals to 2. Okay, so this condition itself is always be true if we have the other case. So I can say maybe false here. Let's see, and I can pass this option here. 1 is not greater than 2. So this is correct. So this is how this control flow work. And and we can have this flow in function also. Okay, so I can use this function Alice, great Bob, great Charlie, hello Alice. And we can just include other people also. Else name is Bob, hello Bob. Else hello stranger, then we should have for Charlie also. Okay, and if I pass like random here, Dave, so it will say hello stranger. Okay, apart from this, in so we have covered like if else statement, calling, defining functions, applying basic operations, and also calling the function we have seen. And we have seen some basic for loop. We have I've also showed you this boolean operation, so I just wanted to give you some more example here. For example, if we have this kind of case, 1 is greater than 2, let's see the output. So this is fall. And if I say 3 is greater than 2, so this sorry, so this is true. So Python automatically convert this expression into a boolean. And we can also define variable like this. If 10 is less than 20, so it's a true. So that's what we have got here. Like this, we have these boolean operators that we can utilize in our code. So I hope this is useful for just to getting started. And after this we'll go in more depth of the further concepts, uh, like performing basic file operations. Let's see. So I'll create a file test and I'll write something in it, and so then I'll close it also. Let's see. So we have created a test file with hello world, and we have mentioned another line in that. Okay. And now if I wanted to read, we can just pass this message also. And if we wanted to read the file, we can uh, read the content like this. So it's the same open function we can use. We can pass the file path here, and the mode, actually the previous one we are writing to the file, so this is the mode, and this one is like we are reading from the file, and this is like we creating a file descriptor, and we are reading the content through this read function, and we will have the content and we are printing it. So let's see. So it's writing to the file successfully, and then it's reading the file again. So if I make any changes here, maybe adding a new line, okay, so it will modify the file. It will also print the same modification over here also. Okay, that's cool. um okay, I think for this video this much should be sufficient. The remaining concepts will cover in the next video. Thank you.